So this next martini is my wife's favorite martini, so I thought I'd include it in this episode to keep her happy. Just kidding, honey. And the reason I'm wearing this is because I don't have a devil outfit. I need a good peanut butter banana sandwich. Hey, it's 5 o'clock. You know where your cocktail is? I know where mine's about to be. Right here. Because my name is Symons, Kevin Symons. And today's episode is all about martinis. I call it a St Germain Martini. That's not the actual name of it. That's what I call it because instead of vermouth, it has a little bit of St Germain liqueur. What is St Germain liqueur? There it is right there. It's a French liqueur. It's actually from elderflowers, so it's got kind of floral notes to it, and it's got a little sweetness to it. Actually, it's got quite a bit of sweetness to it, and you can give it a little try like this. Yeah, very, very floral notes to it in the nose, and then the taste is, oh man, it's got sweetness to it, definite sweetness, like pear, peach, and you really get a little bit of, actually quite a bit of grapefruit in there. Sweetness and grapefruit. It's very interesting. Yeah, anyway, beautiful bottle. It's an elderflower liqueur. It's gonna go great in this martini that, again, my wife loves. Okay, so here's how we make it. So once again, we have a shaker filled with ice. It's 2.5 ounces of good vodka. So you got the 1.5 ounce here, and then you got the 1 ounce there, which adds up to 2.5 ounces. I'm gonna do a 1/4 ounce, just a 1/4 ounce of the St. Germain, just to give it a little bit of a sweetness in there, just a hint of floral. That's gonna be really gorgeous. And you just shake it up, okay? And again, this is my wife's favorite. Whenever we go out, this is the drink she prefers. Kind of a fast finish there. Dump out the ice and the water in the glass. Got the nice chilled glass. And there you go. And pour it in. It looks about the same as the other one, but it's got a little bit of that hint of floral in there from the elderflower liqueur. And on this one, you're not going to use olives because you don't have vermouth in there, so you've got that out of there. There's a little bit of sweetness, so you don't want olives. It's going to make it too, bitter and salty. So we're going to go with twist, lemon twist. Just get your little lemon there and cut off a little piece of this, right like that. Hopefully it'll come up as it did. And then you put this around the rim of the glass. Oh, I can see this beautiful specks of ice on there. All right, get that, and then twist it up. Oh, look at that, just shot everywhere. If you order this at a bar or a restaurant, be very specific with the bartender about what you want. You want the vodka martini with just a 1/4 ounce of the St. Germain liqueur. It's the perfect amount. Oh, that's so good. You really get that floral, that elderflower floral bouquet, and the hint of that grapefruit and that peach and pear. Man, it cuts that vodka really nicely. It's ice cold. Love the twist. I can see why she loves this. She loves me too.
Hey, stop drinking my drink.
Wait a minute. Cut. So, this last type of martini could not be simpler. It's called a gimlet, and it's only got 2 ingredients, which is really easy to make. You can have this served up or on the rocks, whatever you like, but it's a nice, again, pre-dinner martini. This was actually invented in England, and it was originally used with gin. I prefer it with vodka. What a shock. And it's so simple and so delicious. So you've got your chilled, ice cold glass with the ice and the water in there, the martini glass. And we're gonna get rid of that. And then you've got, of course, your shaker filled with ice, and we're gonna put in that shaker 2 ounces of good vodka. So there is 1, and you got 2 ounces, and then a 1/2 ounce of Rose's lime juice. This little guy right here. Sweetened lime juice, been around forever. You can get it anywhere, any store. You've probably seen it all over the place. Now you can make your own at home, which I do, which is just equal parts of fresh lime juice and simple syrup. Told you how to make the simple syrup before. Anyway, I'm gonna use Rose's today. All right, so just a ½ ounce there to give it a little sweetness. It's got tartness and sweetness, both. It's really nice. It is a sweetened lime juice, but you get both the sweetness and the tartness in there. I'm rambling. Anyway, just shake it up once again. I think I'm getting a really good arm workout today since I didn't hit the gym. Get those guns working. Just got a little bit of froth on top. And that should be about right. There we go. That's it. So easy, so simple, so tart, so sweet, so refreshing. Again, you can do this up, you can do it on the rocks, whatever you like. And with this, I garnish this with a lime wedge. All right, which you just have right like that. Or actually what I like to do is just put it right on in there. Why not? Let's go for it. Okay, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful, huh? A little bit of green in there from the Rose's lime juice. Yeah. The Rose's really cuts through that vodka. Not that it needs it, but it's really nice if you don't want that full-on vodka martini. You want just a hint, a little bit of sweetness, and a little tartness, quite a bit of tartness in this. I'm telling you, it's really refreshing. Hope you like this. I hope you like the St Germain Martini. Hope you like the original martini, the way I make it, or the way you like it. I hope you enjoy them. Let me know if you like them. Try different kinds, try new things. Happy 5 o'clocking. Ooh, man. Is dinner ready? Oh, I cook.